Good morning, children. Good morning, good morning. So, open, children. Am I audible? With uh, भारत देश भारत देश समरी खुद लिखो अनुष्का खुद से लिखो तो और मेरे को भेज देना मैं चेक करूंगा ओके मैं करेक्शन करूंगा ओके हाँ यस इसको मैं दैट आई विल करेक्ट try to write the summary yourself okay is it clear yes revision just message you will be sent a message when the school is going to open you will be sent okay you will be informed you will be informed of the reopening of school अभी नहीं बेटे रिवीजन लिटरेचर भारत देश by who is the poet Subramaniam yes Subramaniam Bharti Indian poet Subramaniam Bharti Indian poet wait yes you will send you will send ये बोर्ड बोर्ड विजिबल करवा दीजिए इसका खाली बोर्ड विजिबल करवा दीजिए आज yes yeah wait dear children हाँ sir thank you sir okay the board is visible now the board is visible okay so here is our lesson today for revision and children it is a great lesson okay it is okay it is a great lesson children by a great it is a great it's a great lesson by a great Indian poet okay Subramanian Bharati children as you know we have earlier we have discussed it and we have seen this in this poem. The poet Subramanian actually he was a Tamil poet. Okay. He was a Tamil poet and his poem was His tone was, uh, his poetry or his poetical works are loaded with patriotic tone. Patriotic tone. With just wait. Okay. So children, the tone of the poem is patriotic. Okay. So write the summary. Okay. You can write the summary. Ah. Theme, theme, theme. Note down the theme first. Theme. The poet, the poet speaks about uh, the this is the theme first. Okay. The poet speaks about the future plan, future plan to note that the board is clear. The board is clear. Okay, okay. So note down, children. Future plan for the all-round development. The theme. This is the theme, Anushka. This is the theme. This is the source of the poem, subject matter of the poem. Subject matter, development and progress. Okay. Progress after independence, after for the future plan for the all round development and progress after independence. After, after India's Independence. Independence. Wait. Ah, all round development. Progress, uh, progress after independence. Uh, nothing. That is full stop. Progress after independence. Okay, just wait. Yes, is it okay? After India's independence, this is the theme. And just one thing you must know here, the tone of this poem is patriotic. Loaded with patriotic tone. Patriotic tone. Clear? Okay, children. Huh? Yes. Repent. No. Yes. Here it is. We are talking about the tone of this poem. Tone. रस ये ये देशभक्ति है, ये देशभक्ति इसका रस है, इसका टोन देशभक्ति है। इस पोएम में देशभक्ति झलकती है, देशभक्ति का भाव झलकता है, क्योंकि कवि भारत देश के सर्वांगीण विकास, सर्वांगीण वृद्धि, विकास, तरक्की और प्रगति की चर्चा करता है। आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस, स्वतंत्रता के बाद, जो 1947 को जो स्वतंत्रता कहते हैं, स्वतंत्रता के बाद तुमको पता है कि हमारे देश में कुछ समस्याएं बहुत पहले से थीं, लेकिन स्वतंत्रता के बाद वो समस्याएं और विकराल हो गई थीं। जैसे जैसे पोवर्टी, गरीबी, स्टारवेशन, भूखमरी, भूखमरी, ओके, हमारा आयात निर्यात, एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट, हमारा औद्योगिक उत्पादन, इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्शन, ये सब बॉटम में, पेंदी में था, कहीं नहीं था। तो इस पोएम के माध्यम से कवि थ्रू दिस पोएम, by the medium of this poem, the poet Subramaniam Bharti appeals, appeals to the Indians. He appeals to the Indians to take all necessary steps which can ensure our development in all walks of life, in all spheres of life. Okay? Now, summary. Summary. All Indians, all Indians, go take all necessary. Okay, you take all necessary. Development by the medium of this poem, by the medium of this poem, development in all spheres of life. Okay? You too can write a summary in this way. When you have when you have read the poem thoroughly and understood it, you can also write the summary. I am here writing, I am writing the summary, so you can also write the summary. Okay? All the steps of life after independence, after independence, India he says that schools, factories, universities, trees, restaurant, India store, metro, India store, studies, factories. हाँ, देखो तो क्या है, सब समरी सेम है। अनुष्का, सारी समरी सेम होगी, सबका आइडिया मैसेज एक ही होगा। मैं तो खुद अपने मन से लिखता हूँ, मैं तो रट के नहीं लिखता हूँ ना। ओके, यस। तो मैं सुनो, यस सेंस तो वही होगा बेटा। यस यू आर राइट। तो आप भी अपने अंदर ये क्षमता डेवलप करो। आप लोग भी अपने अंदर ये क्षमता डेवलप करो कि आप आप किसी आप किसी आंसर को आप किसी आंसर को 3 4 5 तरह से लिख सकें, ठीक है। और ये आप लिख सकते हैं। इस स्किल को, इस एबिलिटी को डेवलप करो। तुम भी लिखोगे बेटा, ठीक है। जस्ट वेट वेट।